The paragraphs below outline the work of opt-in list professionals who are well-versed in all elements of opt-in lists. To avoid any opt-in list surprises, pay attention to their advice. Finally, you realize how important it is to have a good opt-in list. You finally decide to establish your own opt-in list after reading innumerable articles, seeking professional guidance, and reading many success stories of people who have made a little fortune with them. Then it happens, you believe you know all there is to know about opt-in lists, and you've followed all of their instructions to the letter, yet you still haven't made any money. It's possible that you're actually losing money. Even if you have a large list and just a small percentage of those on it buys from you, you are still losing money. When you look at your statistics and sales numbers after a few months, you'll notice. What went wrong, then? Why have others been successful where you have been unsuccessful? The most typical blunder is diving in headfirst. You selected a subject that you believe will be popular and profitable. This simply isn't true. It's not true that just because you wrote someone from the list, they'll buy right away. I'll give more guidance here on how to revive a failed opt-in list. Here are 3 straightforward strategies to establish a successful opt-in list for those who are just getting started. 1. First and foremost, earn the trust of your clients by demonstrating that you and your products are reliable. Simply launching your opt-in list will not make you a credible seller or an expert. Before you begin an opt-in list, write a lot of content. Write about a topic you're familiar with and have already begun to develop for your website. To learn more about your clients' goals and needs, try using forums first. Participate in forums hosted by other websites. Expert guidance and suggestions are provided. You'll be able to create your own opt-in list once you've gained enough trust from others. With the help of other forum users, you can create a strong foundation. They can join your mailing list if you ask them to. Good customers are always friends. Place a link to your website on your social media pages so that people may learn more about your company. Don't get discouraged if you're perplexed by what you've read so far. By the time you've finished, everything should be perfectly clear. The simple fact is that money will only flow in if customers and subscribers believe in you and trust you. They are looking for a product or service that would provide them with a decent return on their investment. If they don't know you, they are unlikely to purchase something based on your recommendation. 2. Identify a product or service that people desire and require. Even if it's not your strong suit, if you deliver a service or product that you've thoroughly researched and learned about, you'll be able to keep it going. Invest your time, effort, and money in something you could sell or something that your opt-in list's purchasers or subscribers could utilize. While it is true that it is preferable to sell what you are passionate about, you will find that there are few people who share your passion if you choose to sell something that is neither popular nor profitable. If you conduct thorough investigation, you will reap the rewards. Also, send promotional materials to your subscribers that they may use and distribute. 3. Make friends with other people who have signed up for your opt-in list. This is especially advantageous if the person already has a successful opt-in list. These are experts in the field, and experience is still the best instructor. While there are several articles available on the internet, nothing beats hearing from someone you can trust. Because they have gone through the process, experienced opt-in list users can tell you what to do and what not to do. While various people face different conditions, the overall notion can still be quite useful. There are numerous things to avoid, and these individuals will be able to advise you which ones are the most important. It takes time to build a profitable opt-in list. There are a lot of things to accomplish in terms of preparation and effort. You should maintain the quality of your opt-in list as it expands. Organize and handle the situation. If necessary, enlist or hire assistance. All that matters is that your subscribers are pleased and content, and that they are willing to purchase from you. You can see why opt-in lists have become so popular. You'll be in a position to answer people's demands when they start looking for more information regarding opt-in lists. Thanks for listening. Join our Facebook group My Learning Center and subscribe to our channel My Learning Center on YouTube.